I'm Chris Robinson, and I know how to shop at NAPA Auto Parts. And today, I'm going to show you how to shop for car care products. My dad once taught me that a clean car is a happy car. Or was it, go clean my car? Weird. Here's a common myth you need to know. Dishwasher soap is really bad for your car. It might even damage your paint at some point. So here's what you need to do. Get the proper product for the proper job. Get car wash soap. It'll actually adhere to your paint and make your car sing by the time you're done detailing. The next thing on our list is a wash mitt. Now you're going to need one of these when you're washing your car. Now you can see we have a lot to choose from. This is my personal favorite. Not only is it very soft, but it's not going to leave scratches on your car, and it's gentle on your skin. When it comes to washing, there's two ways to do it. There's the 2-bucket system, which is 1 bucket of soap and 1 bucket of clear water, or there's my way, the 1-bucket system. And the pressure washer. Now keep in mind, NAPA has a complete line of pressure washers starting from beginner all the way up to, well, advanced over here. Use caution though, because something like this can take the paint off your vehicle, and we wouldn't want anything to happen to that beautiful ride of yours. Now we're going to be moving on to drying your vehicle. I'm going to give you a friendly tip. Don't ever take the towels out of your significant other's bathroom to dry your car. Otherwise, wherever you park that beautiful ride, you're going to be living with it. Here's what I like to use. A perfectly good microfiber towel. Now this beauty isn't going to scratch your paint or damage your vehicle in any way, and it can be wrung out numerous times over, keeping your relationship at home really healthy. Let's talk about wax. And no guys, not the wax for your mustache. Let's talk about carnauba and a polymer wax. Now, here's the thing, there is a difference. A polymer wax will go on a lot easier, which is what my dad likes to use. Carnauba will go on a little bit more difficult, but the end result is still going to be the same. Your vehicle is going to shine like new. There is a tip I'm going to give you. Never apply wax in direct sunlight. Otherwise, by the time you're done, you might have some pretty beefy muscles. Now, the job's not done until you use Tire Shine. Hello, beautiful. Putting this on your tires will make the tires shine just as much as the rest of your car, making it look almost showroom new. But maybe that's too much for you. Well, we have a solution for that. The all-in-one NAPA bucket comes complete with everything you see here and everything I talked about. Now you know how to shop for car care product at NAPA Auto Parts.